Nigeria don't set up a six-man committee to touchlight all the confusion with the share inside the federation. Inter Milan and Ajax don't jump from this season Champions League. 16 self-confirmed next round qualify, and Napoli don't sack them coach Carlo Ancelotti. Correct Wednesday morning. Salute as Don Jonas on that gangster edition of Sportian on Top Naija FM 102.7. My name is Nabode Bruno. Tourist segment now goes on after this small break. Pedro Peter don't stand that to give us all the latest. We'll come back now. Alright, now welcome back. Midweek edition of Sportian on Top Naija FM 102.7. Time done for Tourist segment this fine Wednesday morning. Pedro Peter here to give us all the latest gist inside other sports. Pedro, what you get us?
Yeah, but then athletics now will take start the matter. And then Nigeria will get run away named Divine Oduduru. He don't finish school as he don't graduate from Texas Tech University with the USA. The 23-year-old will be joined Texas Tech on top scholarship after he represent Nigeria for the Rio 2016 Olympic Games. He win 4 NCAA titles. 3 for inside the 100 meters and 1 for inside the 200 meters. And now he get the fastest time for the world this year for inside the 200 meters with time of 19.76 seconds. With the wish and well as he don't get a degree from the US. From athletics now, we rush enter boxing where two-time heavyweight champion Anthony Joshua he don't defend the style when he used to take beat Andy Ruiz Jr. for season 2 of their fight last weekend for inside Saudi Arabia. The 30-year-old British boxer beat Ruiz Jr. with a point decision to take collect the WBA and IBF belt, and he don't do revenge mission on top the Mexican boxer. Joshua don't even come out talk back against John Tewada wey be the Yabam say he no do well for the fight. Joshua say na bad belle the warrior. On boxing now we go enter basketball result of NBA matches wey they play for night. Now 4 matches now go down. Portland Trail Blazers and they fire New York Knicks 115-87. Miami Heat then Popo Atlanta Hawks 135-121. Our own Bobo there, Bam Adebayo. Now triple double we get for the game: 30 points, 11 rebounds, and 11 assists. For other results, Philadelphia 76ers the Maya Denver Nuggets 97-92, while Charlotte Hornets then become beat Washington Wizards 114-107.
All right, thank you very much, Pedro, and congratulations to Divine Oduduru once again. Yeah, but right now we have experienced and this goes to finish, so it should say yes, it's a big book. Not be just to run. Yes, it's a big book actually. Yes. Small break now. When we come back, we'll enter the latest this and Naija sports, and because the matter inside the AFN, the end at all. Sports here on Top Naija FM 102.7, a midweek edition of the show now the Sunshine this fine Wednesday morning. In case you never begin, follow us on top Twitter. Yes, you see, don't get it back for that level at Sport Vision NG. And for we YouTube self, the channel is still up and running. Sport Vision NG now be the YouTube address. Just click on the subscribe button and the subscribe key. I'm waiting. Nasha free. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel, Sport Vision NG. I enjoy the best of sports content. But right now, make we enter the content to concern the Naija sport, and this morning I don't hear the voice of Bolo Money already, the armchair pundit.
Now AFN are supposed to be
wait, maybe we're supposed to rename the AFN because all the confusion and everything. But we hear say the president of the AFN don't set up 6-man committee and to sit down, carry Allogen lab on top every day happen inside that federation, and most importantly, as I hear, money is always the root of all confusion for Naija sport.
Well, I even want this things to play. Say, what the committee supposed to do? Now 6-man committee say they go evaluate how some money take jail. They go evaluate AFN under Aguso. Say they violate the rule of the AFN. Just they talk plenty, and say how money they supposed to give athletes. How they for that one for under 20, under 18 for Abidjan, London 2017, Doha 2019, so Yokohama, all those money, waiting there is the money.
So it means say all that talk say they use money take care of athletes. Out of that, they want to make us confusion. Nothing.
Now wash. Remember when we began say they won't give athletes 20,000 naira, make they go buy their kits until the blessing Kagbara could take power for them. So say all this matter now, they won't investigate, including Guso. Say we don't get problem with you. The only thing now, this money, which one I use and do. Chicken and make on here on top the autonomous. We just say they won't stand alone. They don't want to enter sport music. When he quotes the constitution, even myself here. So possible. All those autonomous nonsense, if it works. No matter what you do, at least as of now, except they will go change that concept. But for what we get now, possible. Say for when you read them section 8, subsection 7.1, 7.2, say begin.
Well, you don't learn how to be lawyer.
On top of this AFM matter, everybody got one lawyer.
See, you know what they're happy about pass for this job what they do. I like the fact say I know they handle Nigeria sports line again. Yes, now I know so when I first start this particular job, and I'm like, level be that, and from one trouble to the other. So
people don't.
I like the fact say they handle that level.
I go like change out to this AFM.
No, this armchair you go put on the papa.
But for the congress, for the competition, 2 weeks they get. So after 2 weeks, they will give us a recommendation. I hope their own recommendation not go be like the sport mission is. We just hear say they give textbook. After that, we don't know what's inside the textbook. I don't understand. I see always say, I don't know why we always give 30 pages or those. They don't want me we know. They just
no, the recommendation. And so the recommendation go sit down and read.
You know they get summary, a big conclusion.
No, they don't summarize that. They will give them word for word.
Because they know Nigerians know they read. On top of this one, we go read though. We want to know what it will come out. Well, 2 weeks no far. By the end of 2 weeks, you know they finish the year, so we go like no
2 weeks.
How the matter
when Christmas and New Year celebration they come.
So
we time they won't get job.
That means 2 weeks we will just give extra days again.
No, maybe you just give them 1 month calculation. Because they'll still take another like 2 weeks.
Later January we go shall know it here.
Which last you get for this one, Ibolo?
Well, we are not talking a row yesterday. Saying because they don't want Beberes, they say now this one he wanted, this one. But Baba don't come and say, why media people they lie on top of my head? Say one reason to you say the quote and say, wait, you know talk anything. I say fine, you get good relationship with media, but you know like when they use the name they lie. Say you know they compare players as all those talk saying they compare Beberes with Mobi. Say you don't do anything like that. Say now players and they can use that Tasi NFF. Say you no fee ever send anybody NFF or anyone to go scout player for them. Say in get process. Any player we see, you get people we go check them. You say no, I go check. So all those talk you say they send anybody. I didn't know if you put anything for media. So me they no expect that. So you no send anybody message. You know call
Genetro versus NFF.
NFF
versus Genetro.
January not the 21 days of January.
Well, we know say truth never die. I'm sure truth don't die. We will say everything now.
January is almost here.
So Nigeria Sports done and dusted this morning. Okay. Thank you, Bolo. Thank you. Well, you go sit there here. You know
they move. Pedro don't squeeze face.
Squeeze face why?
You don't know where they go.
Where they go?
I will enter and go. They just squeeze face.
Now why? Because you know say we say
Inter Milan. Go rep there.
No, it's
you don't do hand like this.
Inter Milan.
They have been
Great team. And with that one, we will jump enter Oyibo football talk right now. And sharply, action from yesterday night UEFA Champions League games results. In case you know Sabi, for Group E, Salzburg results against Liverpool 2-0. I shock say the home team no score for this one. As Napoli beat Genk 4-0. But that will be the story. After that game, the club sacked them Kochi, Carlo, and Ancelotti. We'll touch that matter later on. For Group F, Inter Milan, even though Barcelona feed second string team, they still lose inside San Siro 2-1. As they jabber the competition. Dortmund beat Slavia Prague 2-1. For Group G, Lyon 2-9 then play with Leipzig. Lyon come from 2-0 down to control that one. And Benfica beat Zenit 3-0. For Group H, Chelsea 2-1 over Lille and Ajax lose for house against Valencia 1-0. Pedro Mo start from there. A lot of people don't give Ajax the green tick. Say, okay, one of the teams we suppose make them enter the next round because we say they will start the group stage, the group stage. But after everything, bye to the competition, they finish for third position.
It is surprising, sake of saying that semi-final they reached last season and as you take top, they start this season very well. They win their 2 matches well. The games we can't do them batting. Now that game against Chelsea, back to back, they lose at home 1-0. Then the one they can't play for Stamford Bridge, they go allow Chelsea come back from that 4-1 down, come play 4-4. Now that game 9 don't win them. So like now, they not only themselves then go blame because of that game. I feel they're supposed to take 3 points from that game. If they take 3 points, know how it now Chelsea 9 for come out instead of them. But as it be now, and now they got managed the Europa League way.
And I like look short to it. Welcome back. When Tasi Romelu Lukaku, welcome back. So that in essence, welcome back to UEFA Europa League. And she's a part of the reasons we Lukaku go join Inter Milan.
And may play Champions League. But it shall score on the night.
What's it?
For Barcelona. Who score now we'll see when they play Thursday night football. For Barcelona, nothing they do good like when your big players know they use step up as young player. And so far now don't set record now for Barcelona as the youngest Champions League scorer for them. Now substitute now come, yeah, from bench now enter game, he can't score the winning goal for them. For Inter, what to do Ajax to now, what disturb them? That's Slavia Prague where they go draw 1-1. And those two games against Dortmund and Barcelona where they lead, they can't allow those two teams come back beat them. So now those teams don't make them come out for this Champions League. And then one last thing I'll talk for Inter Milan. Conte don't show say European football pass am. If he be local champion for anywhere you go, but Champions League, Europa League, I say those competitions big pass am.
She be there say get ginger. Michael Jackson or world coaching. He no go hug possesses. She be like to jump and
I dey cry like this.
they cry and they laugh. I know see what now.
No. I just for because of the listeners. I just got put on my.
The listeners know they see. Oh, they will see for YouTube later. So they will start to the sweat, even inside the AC. Okay, for come up from yesterday games, Sharply Pedro for Group E. We expected Salzburg will push Liverpool all the way, but 2-0 Liverpool win the champions.
Oh yes. Before that game, a club come out for interview to say that game game of their life, and it actually proven. Now 2 goals in just in 2 minutes. Now Keita will be man of the match, and Salah now they scored the goals. Then we don't carry them enter the next round. Not only that, they even top the group. So for the draws now they will get lesser opponents for round of 16. Those say big teams to qualify. They like Chelsea will finish for second. Now big team. So but Liverpool, they don't show say under club they fit get any results. Bolo don't talk before, even Kingsley too. They feel no play too well, but they must get the result we go make them go to the next stage of what they define.
Okay, today games for inside them Group A, PSG will play Galatasaray and they play the club versus Real Madrid. PSG and Madrid don't qualify already. For Group B, Bayern and Spurs don't qualify, but so them go face off today. If you say
players, them Kane and code, they know they go anywhere.
If you say Bayern be wiped them away. And Olympiacos versus Red Star Belgrade. But for that particular for the groups will go look. Group C, Man City top that group, don't qualify already. For that particular Shakhtar gets 6 points, Dynamo 5 points, and Atlanta 4 points. Shakhtar and Atlanta will play today as they look for the team who will qualify enter the knockout stage. And for Group D, Juventus don't qualify 13 points that they get. But the match where we say people will look na Atletico Madrid versus Lokomotiv. But if Leverkusen beat Juventus for house, then they may say Atletico will not qualify.
Atletico lose their match. The Man City group, it therefore say as poor as Atalanta beat this season, they still get a chance to even take qualify. The only thing they just need that to win their match and hope say City help them. Because if City win their match and Atalanta win, it means 2 of them don't qualify. Upon say they play enough draw for inside the group stage. But the Atletico, it therefore say Atletico now with the talk of them say they feel no qualify for final day of the road. That's why the way they start the season. They don't play draw past anybody for Europe this season. Now draw they play so far. And now they are free now the guys find we win because even if they draw, Juventus don't qualify and they don't qualify as top of the group. It means say anything with happen, Juventus decide to rest players, then Ronaldo all of them sit down. And if they go play with their second team, they will lose that match. Wait till they won't fight for again. Remember, Seba cannot even carry their first class since they don't qualify tops. It means say if Leverkusen win that match, or maybe then they lead, Atletico guys find way. With Morata they score, yes. But it go now 1-1 see the end. Now Atletico are worried for this season. And it go there funny if Inter go Europa League, Ajax go Europa League, Atletico go join them for Europa League. And some teams from one London side where they wear red. Then they hope say Europa League their own.
It's not only then, and that is where they wear red for Manchester.
But to disagree small talk with Pedro Yashi is lesser team for second. But the way the Champions League be now, any team will qualify, nobody less because at the check teams will finish second. Dortmund na second, Madrid second, Atletico finish second. If any of those teams play Liverpool say no see they go sweat. So I think Champions League now the group stage they be like August with Omoshe. Then the 2 teams don't qualify. You know, say any game it could be very tough.
Alright, Sharply, Carlo Ancelotti, because this particular gist as a break yesterday night it shocked me. And from what we hear, we hear say Napoli, they eye Gattuso. How you go sack person like Ancelotti? You won't carry Gattuso away, no survive for AC Milan, and some other clubs they don't handle.
The first thing that this sack don't they come. Even some rumor they fly.
Because all of this, because suddenly we just say Napoli from just.
Yeah, you remember when Mancini with the president get contact say they made players and they come for one compulsory meeting, say 3 days. And players say they don't want that, and Ancelotti give them a chance. On a few they go. And there the problem don't stand. And since then they play draw, lose. Now even draw they play pass. So the report don't they fly, Ancelotti won't resign after the match, okay, they come out. So maybe the president said, no, yeah, remember waiting at leg the matter, wait until one resign for the and the Saka. So be like saying and even Ancelotti no go lose. I won't resign, and when I resign, I no go collect any money. On I can't sack me, on I go pay me, but like you be talk, got two so.
General.
Well, maybe one man poison, another man food. Maybe now good news it could be for Arsenal. Now they get even better option to choose Pochettino, Ancelotti, and Allegri. If now Arsenal not going to choose anybody, well, maybe Kingsley guys go acquire one for them.
Out of the 3 names where you call, we know say Ancelotti don't get experience for inside England, same as Pochettino. But for Allegri it will be new terrain.
So they get enough chance. They get time now because some teams go see sack coach. That one sure. And if they sack, and if they sack coach and Arsenal go dull, well, maybe not for the Jungo will be their permanent manager.
Okay, thank you very much, Ebolu, and to all of you joining us this Wednesday morning on Top Sport. I'm Don Carolina, your Top Niger FM 102.7. Don't forget at Sport Vision NG 9 Twitter handle. And for our latest fan, Oyinye, you beg also, you beg me, it's okay, you must give me a shout out. I don't give you a shout out now, and hopefully you will listen to the show on a daily basis. My name is Nobody Bruno, make me get better day, and a good morning.